Ashish this side. So in this video I'm going to tell you about the top 10 to 15 scholarships which are available in Ireland. But with these scholarships you will have a fair idea on the kind of scholarships that are available in Ireland, and then you can research on your own on the basis of the courses and universities you opt for. So with that, let us see the scholarships in Ireland. Now you have Government of Ireland International Education Scholarships. The aim of GOI IES scheme is to reflect Ireland's engagement in target partner countries. Government of Ireland International Education Scholarship will be awarded to high caliber students from non-EU countries to study full-time in Ireland for a period of 1 year. The eligibility is that applicants must be of non-EU or Switzerland origin. The award recipients will be awarded a scholarship. Next you have is Global Excellence Scholarships. The University College Dublin Global Excellence Scholarship aim to attract excellent candidates to UCD program and to encourage early applications. Eligibility is not specified for this scholarship, and the recipients will be awarded either 50% or 100% coverage on their tuition. Deadline is also not given. Excellence Scholarships, University College Cork. So this scholarship is provided by University College Cork, offers 11 excellence scholarships every year to applicants who intend to start PhD. The eligibility is that the scholarships are open to both EU and non-EU students. Award recipients will be awarded with scholarships to cover EU tuition fee tenable for the duration of the student's chosen postgraduate course. However, the funding will only be covering the EU fee, so successful non-EU applicants will be responsible for the balance. So with this you must be aware that there is a difference of fee in domestic and international students. GMIT scholarships, Galway Mayo Institute of Technology, which is known as GMIT, offers scholarships to non-EU students depending upon their country of origin. The scholarships are open to non-EU students. Award recipients will be awarded up to 30% reduction in tuition fee renewable per year. The deadline is not specified. Then you have Trinity School of Business Scholarship. Trinity Business School offers partial scholarship funding to a number of talented applicants per program. This is to promote gender, geographic and sector diversity alongside recognition for academic and professional excellence. So eligibility, the scholarships are open to students in recipient of a conditional or unconditional offer. Recipients will be awarded 5,000 reduction in tuition fee, 5,000 euro, and deadline is May. Then you have Centenary Scholarship for Masters student. Technological University Dublin Centenary Scholarship Program encourage excellent candidates from around the world to apply to undertake postgraduate studies at master's level in TU Dublin, now offering 60 scholarships yearly. So the eligibility is that these scholarships are open to students from any non-EU countries. Recipients will be awarded a scholarship to cover 1/2 of the value of the academic fee, and the deadline is May. WIT International Student Scholarship, Waterford Institute of Technology is committed to attracting high caliber students from around the world. So you understood that this is offered by WIT. A wide range of scholarship is available to new undergraduate, higher diploma and taught postgraduate applicants for full-time program of study at WIT from a number of countries. So the eligibility is the scholarships are open to self-funding non-EU students in receipt of a full or conditional offer. Recipients will be awarded 5,000 euros reduction in tuition fee, and the deadline is May. Global Excellence Undergraduate Scholarships. Trinity College Dublin offers Global Excellence Scholarships for first year students in full-time UG program. The eligibility is this scholarship is open to applicants with non-EU status. The students from China, India and the US are excluded and should apply for the country-specific scholarships. Award recipients will be awarded up to 5,000 euros applied at a reduction of the tuition fee for first year of study. Deadline is not specified for this scholarship. So These were the kind of scholarships which you can apply for in Ireland, but these are not just limited to the scholarships I told you. There are hundreds and thousands of scholarships at times available. Now the idea was to give you the understanding that scholarships are basis on the degrees that like UG, PG or PhD, on the basis of country of origin and many other factors. Right, I understand that you may have certain queries, so I have given the details in description on how you can contact us for your queries. If you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe, like this video, comment, share with your friends. This channel has a lot of content on study abroad, be it different countries, courses, universities and a lot more, so that you can explore. I'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, stay connected.